Sup YouTube again. I have this, the Cyclops Tuff lights, full flex blinkers, and these are awesome. Had these on my KTM as well, and yeah, the main reason, well, not the main reason, I was in the market for the CFMOTO and I thought, are these available for the CFMOTO? Because I really like those on the front and the back. They are running lights, white, and brake lights, red on the rear end, obviously white, red. And yeah, I really like them on the KTM, so I really wanted them for the CFMOTO. So in this video we go dive into how this works on the CFMOTO. Okay, you have the red and brake lights, Tuff lights, full flex on the rear, but the tail tidy is coming in a week, I guess, so I'm only doing the front now in this video. These are absolutely amazing, and let me show you why. And as you can see, they are from the USA, and for the KTM 790, 890, KTM or my previous bike T7, and you have for the other KTM Huskies, since not really long ago, they are also for the IBEX, so the 450MT, and we are speaking about a full set front and rear. And I have this little test setup for you in my garage. Put it there. We have a battery, and I'm going to show you these guys, but let me fix something for that. Then we have the rear blinker, the negative. Let me put it like that. I have for you the blinker. Then I have the blue wire, that's the running light. And then I have the red wire, that's the brake light. Then we continue with the other one, this is the front. Okay, I have for you the white wire and the black wire. And then we have the running lights. And there we have the blinker. Okay, and I have for you the instructions of the Posi-Tap. You see this little pointy thing, and you see this one. You have this cable. It goes in there. Then you twist this one, and if you twist this, the little pointy thingy goes in the cable, and then you have a very secure connection. I'm not going to demonstrate it on this cable because I need this one. And the nice thing is they provide you with a very nice manual from Cyclops, step by step, in what you need to do, front, back, pictures and explanation of the Posi-Taps. Remove this one, also described in the manual. Here's one, here's one, here's one, and there is one in here. And from the inside, Phillips head screwdriver, which is missing. Mr. Rick, previous owner. Where is it? And then YouTube told me you have some space. Okay, and once you have this space, this needs to come out like this. Alright, and here are the same blinkers as my previous KTM. And these are LED lights, and there is this little plug. Okay, so this is the plug of the IBEX. Let me check if I have this one. That would be nice, so I don't have to tap into the factory cables with the Posi-Taps. And they did warn me about that the original plugs are not available yet in the USA, or they couldn't get their hands on these kind of connectors, so I had to work with the Posi-Taps. Alright. What am I going to do? I am going to remove the side panel quite often. That is what I know, because yeah, I'm going to destroy it in the dirt, and I want to have access behind the side panel and have this kind of situation. With their Cyclops blinkers, you have these Posi-Taps, and these connect directly to the wires, and then they are stuck to the wire. So in that case, the blinkers will always be connected like this to the bike, because this piece will be stuck. Well, it will be solid mounted with the Posi-Taps to the bike, and that is a situation I do not want. If you are like me and don't care about original stuff, I need this little plug. So I'm going to cut this one. I checked it on AliExpress and these are only 13 euros each. So I don't mind. I'm going to cut this one, the wire, and fix this wire instead of this. So this little plug will be mounted to this one. And then we have these. This is the Y wire in the manual. This will connect to the ACC plug on the bike, the positive one, and will stay. And then you have this one, and this is a simple, always also a pluggable, and well, you can get this separated from the bike if it's mounted. That's my plan. If you don't care about original stuff, just cut this and make them together and you have a pluggable, plug and play, pluggable, how do you say that, solution, else they will stuck to the bike if you never get this panel off. I'm going to do that a lot, so yeah, this is my solution. So the next thing to do is put it on a paddock, give myself some space in my little garage. Okay, the next logic step to do is get this one off. Cut also just what I explained. Nice. We have yellow and green for the left side, green and blue for the right side. Number 14, LED right side. So no use of the Posi-Taps in my case, but again you are free to use those and they are very easy. Easy to install, easy to what? Oh nice, like a glove. Only tighten this one, do not turn this one. It's especially mentioned in the manual. It is not done yet, but it will look something like this. I think this is very nice. And also the reason why I have these, whoop, if you are not like me, this thing, this cable is where you're going to apply the Posi-Taps to. I just wanted to plug and play into this one. I am going to cut the original blinkers, but if you are not like me, here you have to strip the wire a little bit and there goes your Posi-Tap on. And here you have in the manual, Tuff lights follows. The right side, red to LT blue, black to green. And then it said red to light blue, black to green. Okay, these go in the old box, and this isn't very hard to do. It only requires some extra time and some tools and some, I know what I'm doing and I don't care about original parts. Well, I know what I'm doing, but I'm not, because this one is much longer. You get some nice tools. Nice and organized. These things are the best. Okay, I will not bore you too long with this, but you get the idea. Connect these two with this connector, twist this wire a little bit into each other, and then light it up. Okay, they fit. Nice, to the right side. Well, that was nice and easy. And still using the original plug. Same story, different blinker. Left side red to orange and black to green. So if you're interested in these little heat shrink plugs, get them on AliExpress. Nice, 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 nice. Nice. I do know this is a little bit of extra work, but better do it one time and then very good instead of, well, half the work. So yeah. On to the next one. This is the Y wire, also known in the manual provided by Cyclops. The Y wire. It's just a split cable, and this one goes on the ACC plug. Let me show it to you over here. So you have the side panel, and there it sticks out the little ACC plug, and that one is connected to the battery. Okay, I'm going to show that to you with this little light. This is the alarm light of my old house, 12 volt, plug in, then we turn the key, and here you see it, connected to the ignition. Sure, I can use a multimeter, but and it's gone. And now we have this little Posi-Tap thingy that needs to be connected to the red wire, I believe. Install front jumper Y wire to the positive ACC wire. Red, yellow, female bullet. Red and yellow, female bullet. Short cable, but I will manage. And sure, you ask why don't use these plugs? But I need those for my tablet, my DMD remote controls. Okay, I hope this is visible on the internet. Use the Posi-Tap on the yellow red wire and twist it. Okay, there it goes. Let's test it. Plug it in, plug this one in there. I hope it works. Turn the ignition. Boom. Turn signal. Nice. And the thing I love about this is look at that smooth migration. Boop. It's like I know what I'm doing. Nice. Okay, the next step is to have one of the Y wires coming out from here and the other one coming out from the other side. Okay, I have a cable over there and on the other side. And now fit the side panels and then we are done at the front. Nice. Nice. Okay guys, and let me show you why you need these lights. Boom. Very nice transition, smooth migration, and practically indestructible. Nice, 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 nice. How awesome is that? I like it. Okay, YouTube. These are for the back. And I still don't have my tail tidy in yet. And since we are going to use the Posi-Taps for the rear running lights and the brake light, yeah, they will be stuck to the bike. And if I am going to replace the tail tidy in a week or so, I am doing very extra work. So I see you in a couple of weeks, 1 or 2, I hope less. And installing the rear side. Nice, nice, nice. Nice.